Have you ever wondered, why do our knuckles crack? You see, inside your joints there's a fluid called synovial fluid. It's like the oil that keeps things moving smoothly, preventing bones to grind to one another. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create a space in the joint. That extra space causes pressure to drop that dissolve out the fluid, forming bubbles. And when those bubbles burst, that's the sound you hear when you crack your knuckles. But it's not harmful. Studies show cracking your knuckles doesn't lead to arthritis. So don't you worry.